I welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education, and as you know, YourPD is the platform which is running micro modules. What is the meaning of micro module is, with very less preparation, if you want to score high in any exam with very less time available with you, that is what is the micro module concept. It is very cheap, but at the same time we always claim that more than 80% questions are going to come in exam from that particular micro module, and we have run successfully couple of micro modules. We started with Airport Authority of India last year same time, then HPCL, and then Cochin Shipyard we are running. So this environment science for GATE is something which is the best product we created among all of these, because we are learning every day and we are evolving our modules and our products. I'll explain you in this video what is the importance of environment science. Civil engineers normally write it in GATE exam, and how you can make best use of this particular subject, environment science, for career making. How with very less effort, especially those of you who are in third year and they are writing this exam. So this particular year, if your preparation is not very good, entrust your time with YourPedia. Give 45 days to us, just complete the module, just put effort, and you will get very good score. And on the basis of that, how you can convert that GATE score into the career ahead, that linkages is provided. So a very short duration program, this module, that is 45 days module, entire schedule available here, and very cheap module, I mean cost wise, and more than 80% of questions are going to come from here. That is what actually we can safely claim for this module. So less effort and more results. Now let me introduce you to this module, and yes, we should target within double digit rank. We should target for double digit rank. It has some advantages. I'll discuss with you the micro module of environment science. So before I go forward, let me tell you, this was the pie chart. This is the pie chart of various kind of questions which were asked in environment science on the basis of 2021 analysis. So as you can see, engineering, mathematics and aptitude is almost 30% of that. Then comes other topics like waste management is 14%, and then noise and air pollution, microbiology, and microbiology and environment chemistry is something which is being focused in this module a lot, because this is something which students are afraid of. Let me repeat, microbiology and chemistry, these are the two subjects which we know students are afraid and they do not have good content, and we have focused more on these two modules in this particular micro module. Now why environment science? The question comes to the mind, why environment science? Let me tell you, those of you who are in third year and are not very seriously preparing for GATE, because you can write it in final year also, and you will write with civil engineering next year. Why don't you give your best and get very good score of environment science third year itself, and your score will be valid for next 3 years, and you can land up in very good course on the basis of environment science. So you should try to score more than 750 GATE score in environment science with 45 days effort, so that all the management courses, all masters courses, you are eligible, and where you get very good placement, and you can make your BTech project accordingly, and you can complete the supply chain. So it is the competition is low. If you want to go with into IITs or top schools for masters program, competition is low. If you think that with environment science you cannot apply in more departments, it is not correct, because with environment science you can land up in departments like management, NITI Bombay, Masters of Management, this IIT Bombay, and then data science courses, artificial intelligence courses also, and many good courses. The list is long for that. Abroad, if those of you who have dreams to go for PhD and MS courses abroad in top universities, pursuing MS from India, masters from India in environment science is a wonderful idea, because maximum scholarships are available in the domain of sustainable development, energy science, environment, and all that is there. So management courses, yes, IITs mein, as I told you, IIT Bombay, Master of Managements, all these courses including NITI Bombay, last year 750 plus pay, you got a call. So that is also easy way to enter into these courses. Now, this PSUs, some PSUs like ONGC are also recruiting through environment science in GATE 2022. So these PSUs have already declared that we are going to recruit, and that can be easy way to enter into this kind of public sector. So with environment science, people think that they cannot enter into public sector, but with environment science you can enter into public sectors. And is this module going to provide you an edge? Certainly it is going to provide you an edge, and believe me, to get into public sectors like ONGC is a dream. So why not take a smart move? Why don't you take a smart move and follow this particular strategy? Go through that particular domain where competition is less. So what is the Yourpedia micro module for environment science for GATE 2022? 1800 most probable questions along with video solutions. As I told you, we are evolving with pace of time. Yourpedia is evolving. It was the first platform where we launched micro module concept, and that concept simply means minimum effort, maximum output, that concept. And now we are evolving 1800 all recorded questions, very good questions. So there are detailed explanation. Ebook is integral part of micro module. So these questions recorded by mentors is different, this ebook is different. You will get study material for that. So single subject practice, under 4 hours. So that single subject practice can be provided for 4 hours. There will be online classes, live classes for that. So complete environment chemistry and environment microbiology. Normally, micro modules mein detailed theory is not covered. Normally only question practice is done, and you are provided a lot of test series and all. But 2 topics, which is microbiology and environment, this chemistry and environment microbiology, these are the 2 weak portion for many of the students. So we are covering these 2 topics in a detail actually in the micro module. Online test series, day-to-day schedule I'll just discuss with you, regular interaction with the mentors, and dedicated WhatsApp group. So live classes are there, teachers will be taking the classes and you can have your doubts and all. So we have made this very meticulous, and this is that schedule. We are going to launch it from 10th of December, and 10th December first day you will have these classes. It is all the schedule. You can take this detailed schedule of 45 days, and one of the advantage of this is like if you follow this schedule, it will automatically give you discipline in execution also. Biggest trouble with the students is we do not know how to execute it. So if you leave that execution part and planning part, outsource that planning part to the mentors, it will be very easy. So you already know that I am to do it, I can't miss it, I am to do it, and after some days I am to go for test. So that everything is being done by the expert mentors, and only thing you have to do is you have to follow it. So you need to keep this thing at your table, you have to follow it. The rest is taken care of the mentors. And if you do that, then as I told you earlier also, that whenever we launch some module, we make sure direct 80 to 85% questions come from our module. That is what actually is the expertise of the mentor, and that is what we are planning. So if you follow this for 45 days, it is how it is going to come. So this is 45 days schedule. You can download it, we'll provide it for you. So lot of test and lot of practice will be done. Now as I told you that any module which Yourpedia launches, it is always a value for your money. So we are keeping the cost of this very low, 3000 rupees only, and for first 100 students, because there will be some students who will be not even in position to spend 3000 rupees. So for them we have further provided a discount for first 100 students, those who are interested, those who are genuine people, but they cannot afford even 3000. So for them we have kept it even low. So as you understand, there's a quite a good things which are being provided to you, live classes and live recorded questions and e-books and test series and all. So we have reduced the price to a great extent because Yourpedia is dealing with mass now. So when the number is more, even cost can be reduced further. I now request all of you, those who are seriously planning to hit score, get a score, good GATE score, and get into IITs or masters program or even PSUs like ONGC, and do not want to leave any stone unturned, go for this module and prepare with us. All the very best, and we'll meet soon in the module. Thank you.